the resultant of A vector and B vector is R1 vector. On reversing the vector B vector, the resultant becomes R2 vector. What is the value of R1 square plus R2 square? Here we have given two vectors, A vector and B vector, and we are talking about resultant. Resultant means A vector plus B vector. On adding these two vectors, we will get a new resultant, that is R1 vector, and its magnitude of R1 vector, which can write as R1, will be given with the help of formula, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, where theta is the angle between those vectors which are being added. So we are adding A vector and B vector, and we have considered angle between these two vectors as theta. So I will put theta here. So we can rewrite it as R1 square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Let's consider it as equation first. So in case 1, we are adding two vectors which are given as A vector and B vector. Now according to our question, on reversing vector B, if we reverse vector B, its magnitude remains same but direction gets opposite. So in our figure, we will represent minus B vector as opposite of B vector, but its magnitude remains same. And angle between vector A and minus B can be seen in this figure only, that is pi minus theta. So in second case, we are discussing about vectors, that is A vector and other one is minus B vector. So if we add these two vectors, new vector which is obtained on adding these two vectors is coming out as R2 vector. So if we talk about magnitude of this one, that is magnitude of R2 vector, or we can write it as simple R2. It will be A square, that is A is the magnitude of first vector, plus B square. B square is the magnitude of second vector, that is minus B. Magnitude remains same but direction get reversed, plus 2AB cos theta. Again theta is the angle between those vectors which are being added. Here we are adding A vector and minus B vector. So angle between these vectors is pi minus theta, which is shown in the figure. So according to our formula, we will get resultant like this. So we can rewrite the equation as R2 square will be equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta, because cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Let's consider it as second equation. So on adding first and second, we will see on left hand side it will be R1 square plus R2 square, and on right hand side it is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, which is R1 square, and A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta, which is R2 square. So on solving this one, we will get 2A square plus 2B square, which can be rewrite as 2 times of A square plus B square. So answer of this question is 2 times of A square plus B square. Thank you.